The 2026 Yamaha V-Star 1300 Touring isn't just a cruiser, it's a full-blown comeback story that could shake the entire midweight touring world. For years, riders have whispered about the V-Star name like it was a sleeping giant, and now, in 2026, Yamaha has awakened it with purpose. This machine blends classic V-twin soul with modern touring practicality, and the result is something that feels both nostalgic and shockingly fresh. The moment you lay eyes on the wide fenders, chrome accents, and long, low silhouette, you know this isn't some lightweight city cruiser pretending to be a highway machine. This is built for distance, built for comfort, built for riders who want real torque, real presence, and real road authority, without stepping into heavyweight 1,800cc territory. If you thought the mid-size touring class was boring, think again. The 2026 Yamaha V-Star 1300 Touring just made it exciting. At the heart of this beast lies a liquid-cooled 304cc V-twin engine that delivers smooth, confidence-inspiring torque exactly where touring riders need it most, in the low and mid-range. Twist the throttle and you don't get frantic high-rev chaos. You get controlled, muscular acceleration that feels perfectly tuned for highway passing, relaxed cruising, and fully loaded travel. Yamaha engineered this power plant to strike the ideal balance between performance and reliability, meaning you can rack up serious miles without worrying about constant maintenance headaches. Whether you're climbing mountain roads, cruising coastal highways, or navigating city traffic, the V-Star 1300 Touring responds with composure. It's not trying to prove something with insane horsepower numbers. It proves itself with real-world usability. And sometimes, that's far more impressive. Touring motorcycles live or die by comfort, and this is where the 2026 Yamaha V-Star 1300 Touring absolutely delivers. The riding position is relaxed but commanding, giving you that perfect blend of cruiser attitude and long-distance ergonomics. The seat is wide and supportive, designed to reduce fatigue on multi-hour rides, while the passenger backrest ensures your co-rider feels secure and comfortable. Add in the full touring windshield that slices through wind pressure at highway speeds, and you begin to understand what Yamaha was aiming for here: effortless miles. This isn't a bike that demands you endure the journey. It invites you to enjoy it. From daily commutes to cross-country adventures, the V-Star 1300 Touring is engineered to make every ride feel manageable, stable, and surprisingly refined. And let's talk about what truly separates the Touring Edition from the standard cruiser: factory-installed hard saddlebags and long-haul readiness straight out of the box. No aftermarket scramble, no extra installations. The V-Star 1300 Touring comes prepared. These locking saddlebags provide practical storage for gear, tools, extra layers, and road trip essentials. Weekend getaway? Covered. Multi-day highway escape? Easy. Daily practicality? Absolutely. Yamaha understands that touring riders don't want to compromise style for storage, and they've integrated the bag seamlessly into the bike's muscular design. It still looks aggressive. It still looks clean. But now it's functional in ways that truly matter when the road stretches far beyond city limits. Handling is another area where the 2026 Yamaha V-Star 1300 Touring surprises people. Midweight cruisers often struggle to balance stability with maneuverability, but Yamaha has tuned the chassis to feel planted at highway speeds while remaining predictable in tighter urban environments. The long wheelbase provides stability when cruising at speed, while the suspension setup absorbs road imperfections with composure. This makes the V-Star 1300 Touring incredibly versatile, not too heavy to intimidate newer riders stepping into touring, but substantial enough to feel solid under experienced hands. It's that rare sweet spot where confidence meets capability. Braking performance is equally reassuring. Equipped with strong front and rear disc brakes, the 2026 V-Star 1300 Touring delivers consistent stopping power that matches its torque-heavy character. Touring demands predictable braking, especially when riding two-up or fully loaded, and Yamaha has engineered this cruiser with that reality in mind. Whether you're slowing into a scenic overlook or reacting quickly in city traffic, the braking system feels balanced and dependable. It's another reminder that this motorcycle wasn't built for short sprints. It was built for real-world, everyday reliability. What truly elevates the 2026 Yamaha V-Star 1300 Touring is how it blends old-school cruiser styling with modern sensibility. You get classic V-twin aesthetics, chrome engine detailing, deep paint finishes, and that unmistakable cruiser stance, but without feeling outdated. The instrumentation remains clear and functional, giving riders the essential information they need without overwhelming them with unnecessary digital clutter. This is a motorcycle that respects tradition while understanding the expectations of today's touring rider. It doesn't chase trends, it builds trust. The real magic, though, happens when you start stacking miles. That's when the V-Star 1300 Touring reveals its true personality. Highway cruising feels smooth and relaxed, with the engine humming steadily beneath you. Wind protection keeps fatigue in check. The seat supports you hour after hour. And somewhere between mile marker 50 and mile marker 200, you realize something important. This bike makes distance feel smaller. It transforms long rides from endurance challenges into experiences you actually look forward to. And in the touring world, that's everything. Naturally, comparisons are inevitable. Riders will ask how the 2026 Yamaha V-Star 1300 Touring stacks up against Harley-Davidson mid-size cruisers, Honda's touring offerings, or even larger displacement baggers. The truth? It doesn't try to overpower them. It undercuts them with balance, lower intimidation factor, manageable size, proven Yamaha reliability, practical touring features without heavyweight bulk. For many riders, that combination is more appealing than sheer engine displacement. Not everyone needs 1,800 cc. Not everyone wants 900 plus pounds. Sometimes, the perfect touring bike is the one that feels just right, and this Yamaha feels dialed in. So here's the bottom line. The 2026 Yamaha V-Star 1300 Touring might just be the most overlooked touring cruiser of the year, and that's exactly why it deserves your attention. It brings back a respected name with renewed purpose. It delivers torque without excess, comfort without gimmicks, touring capability without overwhelming weight. If you've been searching for a cruiser that can handle daily rides, weekend escapes, and full-on road trips without draining your wallet or your confidence, this could be the bike that changes everything.